Hello, good day once again, my wonderful students. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Thank God for today and yet another pleasure meeting and seeing you. Hope you are all fine. Thank you so much. Our lesson for today is lesson 3. We are going to treat simultaneous equation. Now, what is simultaneous equation? Simultaneous equations are two or more algebraic equations that share common variables and are solved at the same time. I repeat, they are solved at the same time, simultaneously, concurrently. So there are 3 basic methods of solving simultaneous linear equations. Number 1, we have by substitution. Number 2, we have elimination method, and lastly we have the graphical method. But in this lesson we may not be able to take the graphical solutions, but we'll be looking at the substitutional and the elimination method because of the limitations, some limitations and other things. Now we go straight to example 1 for more clarity. Solve. Example 1 says solve this. Example 1 says solve simultaneously. Solve simultaneously. 2x. You see there, 2x minus y equals to 8, and 3x plus y equals what? 17. Now we take the solution of this. We'll use the substitutionary method, which is the first approach there, by substitution. Substitution means you make one of the equations in such a way that x or y will be the subject of the formula, and then you now substitute into the second equation. How do we do that? Number 1, from equation 1, we make our y the subject of our formula. We make our y, see it here in equation 1, subject of the formula, by doing what? By collecting the like terms. We take x, minus y and cross it to the other side. It will become positive y, and we take positive 8 back to the other side, to the left hand side, which will now make it 2x plus 8. See it here? That's what we have here. Equation 1. From equation 1 we have equation 3. We call it equation 3. Look at it here. This 2 is here. See it here. You see my cursor? See the minus y. Taking it to the other side, it becomes positive. After the equality sign, it becomes positive y. Y, the 8 that is at the other side, you take it to join 2x here, it becomes a minus 8. So on the whole we have 2x minus 8 equals y. We call this equation 3. We now take equation 3. That's where we derive the name substitution. Take equation 3 and substitute it into equation 2. And it means anywhere you see y, you write 2x minus 8. This 2x minus 8 implies that y is the same thing as 2x minus 8. So anywhere we see y in equation 3, we put 2x minus 8. It means here we have 3x in equation 2 plus y. Our y now becomes 2x minus y equals 17. And that's exactly what we did here. See it here? See it properly? I hope you are following. I hope we are following. From there, we now open our bracket. By opening the bracket, we use this plus to open the bracket. Plus times plus, we bring down our 3y. Plus, you see it there. We now use our plus to open the bracket. Plus times plus, you have plus. 1 here, after the bracket times 2x, you have 2x. This plus times minus, here you have minus. Then 1 times 8 here, you have 8 equals 70. You may not be seeing the 1, but we assume that there is 1 before the bracket. After plus, there is always an imaginary 1 here. So what I'm using, should in case some of you will say, where is the 1? Where is the 1? So that is how we got this equation. Now, that is how we open the bracket. Then we add, we check it and collect like terms. We bring all the x's, numbers carrying x, to one side. We take all the ordinary numbers to our right hand side. Can you see there? Look at it very well. The equation, simple as ABC. Now, adding everything all together, we now have 3x plus 2x, you have your 5x there, equals 17 plus 8. I suppose it will give you 25. As you can see there. Hope you are following. I'm scrolling there. Look at it here. From there, we want to make x our subject to the formula. Or you can just go direct and use 5 to divide through, all through. 5 divide 5 here, you have a x left. 5 into 25, you have your 5 here. And that's how you have you arrive at that x equals a 5. Now, substituting the value of x into any of the equation to find the y. To find y, we use x equals 5 to substitute into equation 3 or any of the equation you want. Remember, our equation 3 is 2x minus 8 equals y. So putting substitution x for y here, you have 2 into bracket, open and bracket, close, 5 minus 8 equals to y. This one here means you multiply through. 2 times 5, you have 10. The minus is there. Minus 8 equals y. Do the arithmetical process there. 10 minus 8, you have 2. Y equals 2. So, therefore, our x is 5 and our y is becomes a 2. You can substitute x for 5 and y for 2 in any of the equations. You discover that your answers will be correct. Going further, to take example 2. Example 2, we say solve the same equation, 2x minus y equals 8 and 3x plus y equals 17, using the elimination method this time around. So solution, in this case, you are not going to substitute. In this case, first you look for how to eliminate. You check all your variables to see variables of x and y to see where it will be possible for you to do some eliminations. So in the first place here, we look at x, 2x, here is 3x, it will not be possible. But here you have minus y and here you have positive y. So it will be easier for you to do that. So what we need to do here, you add equation 1 and 2. Since here is negative and here is positive, what we need to do, we say add. We add both equation 1 and 2. So in adding, we now say 2x plus 3x, you have 5x here. From there we say minus y plus y. Minus y plus y. This minus will cancel this one. So y will cancel y there, you have 0. Here you see you have 8 plus 17, you have 25. So bringing all together, 5x plus 0, you have 5x equals to 25. The same way, discover that you have, when you use 5 to eliminate 5 here, and 5 to eliminate 25, you have 5, because you want to make your x the subject of the formula, which is what was obtained when we used the substitutionary method in the first place. Now, we have gotten the value of x to be 5. Now, to get the value of y, you can use x equals to 5 to substitute in any of the equations. Substitute into equation 2. So by doing that, we say x equals to 5 into equation 2. So anywhere we see x in equation 2, we write 5 there. Look at it. Instead of 5 here, we write, instead of x, we write put 5 here plus y equals 17. That's why we have 15 plus y equals 17. Now, making y the subject of the formula, we don't want our variable to be in the negative form, so we leave it here. We will transfer this 15 to the other side. There are two ways of doing it. We add 15 to both sides, or we just pick this 15 and transfer to the other side. So, and once it crosses, it becomes a negative sign. That's why we have this y equals 17 minus 15. When you do the arithmetic process, you have y equals 2. So therefore, our x equals 5 and our y equals 2. So, for better understanding, you can watch the lessons again for more clarity or better understanding. So I have few exercises here. The goals thus solve these equations using substitution and elimination methods respectively. Number 1, x plus y equals 2 and 3x minus y equals 1. Number 2, we have 2x plus 3y equals x and 4x plus 7y equals 11. They are both simple, so you can try that. If you have any question, as usual, do not hesitate to drop your challenges or your comments under the comments section. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope to see you again in our next lesson. Thank you very much. God bless.